I'm going to be showing you how to install some LED headlights. So I'm doing the conversion because I'm sick and tired of buying halogen bulbs. They just keep blowing out within like a few months. So I figured buy something that's going to last like a little bit longer. So here they are, guys. I went with the Most Plus. This is the eBay brand product. So I already have one side in. I'm going to show you guys the comparison really quick before I go ahead and install the other sides. But real quick, this is literally how easy they are. Let me get some light down here. So I have this zip tied. This is one of the this is like the adapter thing right here, and it literally plugs right into the 3-prong stock harness. So everything plugged right in, guys. Plug and play. Here's the old halogen bulb. I don't know what I have left to think about it. So let's get a comparison going for you guys. And I'm really excited because the difference, all I need to do now is get a restore kit for my headlights because they're fading. You gotta love eBay. Now look at that difference right there, guys. Super bright, crappy. So once I get the whole restore kit for these, I feel like it's gonna bring out the color a lot more on it. All right, so on 2001 to 2005 Civics, I'm pretty sure this goes for all models, DX, LX, EX. This is the EX. So I don't think that the DX or the LX have this, so it's a little bit easier to access the bulb. But all I'm gonna do here is loosen the power steering reservoir and kind of just like fold it off to the side like that. We do have full access to the dust cover right here. So what we're gonna do now is unplug the 3-prong electrical adapter here. You got like that little outlet looking thing. I'll show you guys after. And then we're gonna just peel the dust guard up. There's tabs. There's a tab on the top. If you guys could even see that. Tab right on the top there. There's one on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Bring this out. Mine's shot, but those are the tabs I'm talking about right here, both sides. There's a metal clip. All you guys have to do is push in on that clip and release it back towards you, and that's going to free up the existing or current halogen bulb that we have right here. So these things are trash. I thought they were good until I seen the brightness of the other ones. So I'm not going to spend any more money on these crappy ass halogens for now. So now we have that whole wide opening that we could just literally plug the other one into. It gets kind of tricky. Let me unbox these things for you guys. I went with the H4 9003 high low beam, and these ones are 6000K, which is like it's like a white, and they look really good, as you guys saw from the video clip, but the video clip doesn't do any justice. Voila, look at that. All right, so there's that plugs right into the existing electrical harness. We got this. Here's the actual LED, and these things are really cool, guys. You could see right through the ends there that there is a built-in fan, which is pretty wild because these things probably let off some serious heat. So they do have a fan, and there is going to be an opening spot for these things. So I cannot wait to try these at night, but let's go ahead and install this thing. So what we're going to do first, match up the 3 prongs right here until we could feel that it's connected into the actual outlet right here. Just kind of rotate it around. Just go by feel until you think that it's pretty much aligned. Right, that's in, guys. We could let this hang off to the top. Now I got to get that metal clip that I was telling you guys about. So through there's the metal clip. It's kind of hard to see that, but that's the metal clip. You'll know what I'm talking about when you guys install it. But there's a metal clip. I'm gonna go ahead and fold that over now. Fold that over the whole LED to kind of hold it in place. Right now, I'm gonna have to trim this piece back a little bit because there's no way that it's gonna clear. Let's see if I can get in there for you. So the LED fans is sticking out so much, and I can't get this thing to fold back in. so I'm gonna have to cut it or else this is not gonna even stay on. So I'm probably gonna take off probably to right here. All right, there we go. We're gonna flush this a little bit more, obviously, trim this down, and then try to fit it on. All right, guys, I said screw it, and I just literally hacked this whole thing. So that now is gonna fit right over the fan, guys. It's important that you have like cooling efficiency for these things. So to be honest, I might even come back and trim off the top of this piece just so the fan can get some fresh air and cooling back there, because that's the main concern. So you guys want to trim off, at least I'm recommending this. You don't have to, but I have to trim this off to fit correct on that side so the fan will fit right through here. So let's put this back on and see what we get. All right, guys, just grab my light, and there's what I'm talking about right there. It's kind of hard to see, but that fan actually should be exposed. And like I said, I think that you guys should do it. I'm recommending that, because if that fan is not getting the proper circulation, it could potentially overheat the bulb itself, causing to issues with the bulb and probably other stuff. So make sure that fan can get some air coming in there, and all we have to do is connect this side back in. And then what I'm gonna do is cut the, I gotta trim some of that off like I'm talking about, because this fan's not even exposed. Take a zip tie, and to keep stuff from like vibrating too much, we're gonna just tie this right up around this assembly right here. I think this is my ABS, but just to kind of like keep it a little snug. We don't want too much play on that, so just feel free to use a zip tie, guys, just to keep that thing from dangling around, you know, potentially loosening up the plug and stuff. So that's my setup for both sides. Got the zip tie right here, and I have a zip tie right here. Pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you guys learned something from this quick little install, guys. If there's anything else that you guys want to see with the G17, I know I haven't brought it out in a while. I just got to run it today. Drop your comments down below. I would love to turbo it sometime in the future, or maybe even do a K24 swap into it. I'm not sure yet, but she's a daily. And remember, never stop wrenching.